I try to structure, everything. If you look by the end, you'll find the three main components of Cortex. I'll start right away with a roadmap, yeah, telling you about what the history was behind, a Snowflake with data science and machine learning, because this is pretty new. I've been here. I've seen everything evolving so fast, just in the last 2 years alone, and about Cortex itself, which is super super new. Uh, I'll dedicate at least one section per each individual component. So they have today they have three main components in Cortex. They have Snowpark ML, they have Power ML functions, actually Power ML classes, yeah, and they have LLM functions because they decided to host their own large language models. To reach the first Cortex component, Snowpark ML, I decided to go through first an introduction into data science. But once again, it's just as a reminder, don't count on this to learn about data science. However, I think I'll give you some interesting, if you're a beginner, I think I'll give you some interesting pointers, some interesting references, where you can find more about this. And I'll gradually build up, regression and classification use cases, and you'll see how they will gradually get improved. In the next section in Snowpark, with a push down mechanism into store procs and functions, and with data frames. They remain used heavily in Snowpark ML. So as I said, the third iteration would be Snowpark ML, which is part of Snowpark, but it is a separate library.